Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for the 18th of March 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks as well as a bonus commodities specific news. To start things off, let us first look at Nifty. The index continued its recovery for the third straight session today as global cues seem supportive, with bounce backs being witnessed across most major markets. Nifty gained 196.65 points today to close at 23,777.80, up about 0.83% from yesterday's close. Media and IT were today's major gainers that pushed Nifty upwards, with the latter gaining after CLSA's report that there wouldn't be any significant drawbacks for Indian IT firms due to the introduction of AI. Supports after today's up move may be brought up to 23,675 followed by 23,500, while resistances on the way up will be 23,825, which was breached intraday, followed by 24,000. Broad-based recovery was seen across most sectors with slight corrections in metals and FMCG. Inflation due to rise in crude prices as well as shortage in LPG supply may play spoilsport in interest rate reduction expectations by RBI. A Fed rate cut tonight may provide further tailwinds for Nifty, which will be bullish above 24,000 and resume bearish movements below 23,500. Next, let us move on to Sensex. The BSE Index 2 gained 0.83% today to close higher by 633 points at 76,704. Resistance on the upside will now be at 77,275 followed by 78,345, while supports on the downside will be at 76,325 followed by 75,325. Bullish momentum will take over after the latter resistance at 78,345 is breached, while bearish momentum will grip below 75,325. For our commodities corner, let us check out crude oil once again. Crude still seems to be consolidating for now as prices stabilize in the short term, thereby reducing extreme volatility. Price swings, however, cannot be ruled out if the West Asia conflict is extended with fresh escalations aimed towards the oil and gas infrastructure in the Middle East. Resistance for now can be brought down to 9,110, followed by 9,360 with bullish momentum expected above 9,360. Supports on the downside will be at 8,645, followed by 8,305 with the commodity bearish below 7,800. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in news today. Shares of Godrej Properties Limited were in focus after the company acquired a 20-acre land parcel in Bengaluru. It plans to develop a premium residential project with an estimated revenue potential of 1,350 crore rupees. Shares of Interglobe Aviation Limited and SpiceJet Limited were volatile after the Director General of Civil Aviation directed airlines to reserve 60% of seats for free. SpiceJet erased gains while Indigo slipped from its day's high following the announcement. Shares of Mankind Pharma Limited gained around 3% after acquiring the Rivotril brand rights from Roche Holding AG. The deal is expected to strengthen its position in the CNS segment and expand its neuro portfolio. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.